In this video, I want to give you a few definitions to make the course a little more clear for you and to help you understand why affiliate marketing is so popular today and where it fits in this whole online business, online make money space.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Well, affiliate marketing has been around for a long time, way before the internet. It's just a matter of selling products or services made by another person or another company and collecting a commission. That's just referrals. That's been a common business practice. There's nothing new there. The reason it's so popular now in the digital world is because digital products can offer a very high commission. For example, physical products like you might see on Amazon can give you about a 7% on average commission because there's just not enough margin there on physical products to give to the affiliate reseller. On the other hand, digital products can give you 50%, 75%, up to 90% affiliate commission. That's not unheard of, and it can be recurring this month, next month, next month, so you can really build a bigger business on top of selling digital goods. That's why it's so popular today online. But of course, it's not all hype and it's not all so easy because you still have to sell. Selling is still the hard part. Now let me give you a few definitions and roles so you can understand it as you go through the course. Sometimes you'll see something called a publisher or a marketer. That's interchangeable terms for calling you. You're gonna market the product, you're gonna publish the products maybe on your site, maybe elsewhere. So some sites will call you the marketer, the publisher, the seller. That's all the same thing. That's you promoting. Now there's another definition, the manufacturer or the vendor. You might see that used interchangeably. That's the business whose products you sell. What I'll also be showing you is aggregator sites that have thousands upon thousands, tens of thousands, depending on the site, products you can choose from. Can you just go and randomly sell any of them? You can try. It's better not to. It's better to choose a niche. It's really important to choose a niche because you have to stand out. Because if you don't stand out, there's nothing compelling or interesting about your whole entire business, then you're not offering value, and then people don't have a reason to listen to you, buy from you. But if you choose a niche and work over time to develop some expertise, authority in that niche, people will listen to your product recommendations and people will buy from you. Of course, I will be showing you marketing strategies you can do on day one, selling in forums, on Quora, on YouTube, with ads. Yes, you can try all those things, but it's so much better if you focus on long-term and choosing a niche and building an audience in that niche. That's where building a brand for yourself, that's where your business is stronger and it can grow to those heights that you dream of. That's the difference. Focusing on the short-term strategies has a ceiling, a relatively short ceiling to them. There's not a lot you can make, but focusing on the long-term, that's where opportunity really opens up for you. So hopefully that explains why affiliate marketing is so popular today, your role in it, and some definitions to look for as we move through the course, and the mindset that yes, short-term is possible, long-term focus is much better.